Hello. In this video, me and my family went on a road trip around the East Cape region, and we stopped at Gisborne, and I have decided to explore some of the old lines that were in use until 2012. Now, these lines were part of the Napier to Gisborne line that ran between the port of Napier and Gisborne. Well, I just said that, but yeah. Anyways, enjoy.
Alright guys, so I happen to find myself in Gisborne today, and here's this old level crossing from the port line that's been out of use since 2012, which sucks. So yeah, this crossing featured three sets of Western Cullen Hayes incandescent lights. It's been mounted on a Montrose or Penrose bracket. Sorry, yeah, 3 incandescent and one that's been mounted on Griswold signal cone lights bracket, and these other 2 units on a Montrose or Penrose bracket, and 2 sets of Griswold mechanical bells. Which I'm rather surprised, because when this line closed, there was a few crossings on the Napier to Gisborne line that got upgraded to Western Cullen Hayes e-bells. So yeah, I'm surprised they haven't upgraded these ones. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm here at another abandoned level crossing on the Napier to Gisborne line in Gisborne. So over there is Gisborne Rail Yard in the picture you've just seen, and down there is the Napier to Gisborne line. So that's looking towards Napier. Yeah, looking towards Napier. But also on this crossing it features 4 sets of Griswold lights that are fitted with Western Cullen Hayes incandescent lights that have been mounted on a Griswold bracket, and 2 sets of Griswold mechanical bells. So yeah.
So it actually turned out that this level crossing previously had Western Cullen Hayes e-bells before the line closed. But I'm rather surprised though, because they've decided to change it back to Griswold mechanical bells for some reason. I think there may have been another level crossing out there that needed e-bells, so they probably took the mechanical bells off that one and then put the e-bells onto this crossing. The e-bells that were on this crossing onto the crossing that bells were being replaced. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching guys, and yeah, stay tuned for some more videos.